Marilyn Nongrum, Secretary of the Yakin Teolang Self-Help Group SHG and Village Operation VO, Yas Noktilang from Harlibagan village was honoured to be selected to attend the 78th Independence Day celebration in New Delhi. This milestone event is her first such experience, which she sees as a valuable opportunity to bring back new knowledge to her community. Nongrum's work includes organizing village clean-ups, supporting the sick and implementing rainwater harvesting and kitchen gardens, all aimed at empowering local women and improving village life.
SSG member kepada hang profesional ni penkuit ikini kisnong te ni rap ro iki bapang pasitom but ni judan ro ikani ka meeting VO ha mana organize asench te yong bani long lang ya kan udan kita kajinya kandu lang para long kemi para kentai but ni ai ro iki kajinya rap lada kidon kam ka Independence Day kamut kajing kot bor banle adalah day claim kajing dan kam ni jing claim kajing dan kam kajing shania na kiwe ban yang hala ki kejat la day ban krishan dala day ya la day.